Most people show up at Walmart MoneyCenter expecting it to be open just like the regular store. Then they get stuck waiting, or told to come back later. Here's the truth no one tells you. Walmart MoneyCenter hours are not always the same as store hours. And that's where most confusion starts. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Walmart MoneyCenter hours work in 2026, so you can avoid wasted trips and get your financial tasks done on time. Let's break it down clearly. First, the MoneyCenter is part of the services offered inside the Walmart stores. It is usually located near customer service, or a dedicated service desk. Now here's where it gets interesting. While Walmart stores often stay open late, the MoneyCenter usually has shorter operating hours. So let's go step by step. In most locations, MoneyCenter services typically open in the morning and close earlier in the evening compared to the main store. This means you can shop late at night, but you may not be able to cash checks or send money after certain hours. Now imagine someone like Alex. He works a long shift and reaches Walmart at night thinking he can cash his paycheck. But the MoneyCenter is already closed, even though the store is still open. But here's the problem most people don't realize. MoneyCenter hours can vary by location. A Walmart in one city may close at 6 p.m., while another may stay open until 8 p.m. for financial services. Now, let's talk about what affects these hours. First is store location. High-traffic areas may have extended service hours. Second is staffing. If trained MoneyCenter associates are not available, services may close earlier. Third is holidays, when hours are often reduced. Now here's something important. Even if the MoneyCenter is closed, some services like bill pay kiosks or ATMs may still be available depending on the store setup. Now let's talk about the smartest way to avoid problems. Always check your specific store hours before visiting. You can do this through the Walmart app or by calling the store directly. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They assume every Walmart follows the same MoneyCenter schedule, which leads to unnecessary trips and delays. So let's simplify everything. Walmart MoneyCenter hours usually start in the morning and end earlier than regular store hours, but exact timing depends on location, staffing, and local policy. Once you understand this, you can plan your visit properly and avoid waiting or missing service. So here is the final takeaway. Walmart MoneyCenter hours in 2026 are not fixed nationwide. Always check your local store schedule before visiting to make sure services are available. If this helped you understand Walmart MoneyCenter hours clearly, like, comment and subscribe for more simple breakdowns like this.